The next in our learning is Bhastrika Pranayama. What does this word Bhastrika signify? Have you ever seen a blacksmith? They have, in the olden times, if you go to the literature, you will be able to see that a blacksmith had a bellow which he would pull up and down. In that process, a sound typically was made buzz, buzz, buzz. This is what Bhastrika Pranayama signifies, that when you inhale and exhale in rapid successions, you create the sound, and therefore it is called as Bhastrika Pranayama. It has two parts, an active and passive part, but most importantly, let us look at what are the benefits of doing Bhastrika Pranayama. When you do this pranayama, your nervous system gets stimulated. Your fire gets ignited in the abdomen, which helps you to deal with any kind of ailment in a better way. It also helps you to enhance immunity to fight corona. So that was about Bhastrika. Let us now look at the demo of Bhastrika Pranayama. We are now going to learn our next pranayama, that is Bhastrika Pranayama. Bhastrika Pranayama. Just understand the technique first, then we will show you the demonstration. You have to sit in any comfortable position but with an erect spine. Keep your hands such as shown, cupping your knees and your elbows little bit pointing to the sides. First inhale completely and then exhale. Then inhale again, expand the chest. Then inhale and exhale forcefully in quick successions, moving your abdomen and chest for 20 times. This happens in rapid succession, as you can see. This is the active part of Bhastrika Pranayama. After this is done, you exhale out forcefully and then take a deep breath in and lock this breath inside. That is, you do an Antar Kumbhak, and when you are doing the Antar Kumbhak, you apply your chin to your chest, that is called chin lock, also called Jalandhar Bandha. You constrict the lower portion of your abdomen below the navel, that is called Udyan Bandha, and you constrict your anal sphincter, that is called as Moola Bandha. So you apply all these bandha when you are holding the air in. Then slowly, as long as you can hold, you keep on holding. If you can hold for 30 counts, then you do not have any kind of respiratory problem, and definitely you are not having any problems related to corona. If you can hold it for 45 seconds, you will never have any heart ailment. Your heart is absolutely healthy and fit. After you feel like leaving the breath, just release the Kumbhak, the Antar Kumbhak, where you are holding the air in slowly. This is the passive part of Bhastrika Pranayama. Let us now go ahead with demonstration of Bhastrika Pranayama. So here we go. Inhale, exhale. Inhale and start inhale exhalation in forceful successions for 20 counts. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Keep on doing it for 20 counts. Then inhale and hold the air in. Put Jalandhar Bandha, that is chin touching your chest. Pull your abdomen in below the navel, that is Udyan Bandha, and do an anal constriction, that is called Mool Bandha. You can hold on as long as you feel comfortable. People who have heart ailments and suffer from BP issues need not do it. If you feel discomfort, dizziness, please leave the Kumbhak, Antar Kumbhak immediately. Very slowly, when you feel comfortable, first release the Jalandhar Bandha release the Uddiyana Bandha and exhale from the right nostril. This completes one rotation of Bhastrika Pranayam, and in the next rotation you exhale from your left nostril. This completes the second rotation. You can do 3 to 10 such rotations depending on your capacity and as time permits you. But minimum of 3 rotations is a must. Now what are the benefits of Bhastrika Pranayam? It is a very good oxygenator for brain. It benefits the nervous and the motor system. It is a great energizer for the body and mind. It will definitely help you fight with corona in a better way. It is good for people with depression and anxiety. Now, who are the people who cannot do Bhastrika Pranayam? Those with some kind of obstruction in their nasal passage, having acute pain in abdomen, sore throat, any kind of appendicitis problem, acute appendicitis problem, those who are having acute disorders of the lung, those having liver enlargement,